Good day everyone. My name is George Sibuko from B81B and I am here to disassemble and assembling system unit. So first, these are for the front panel connection. So this is for audio. So here, here. Next is for USB. Here. Then with the power LED. Next is for power switch. So here. Then for HD delete here. This is the SATA cable. So here. Connect to the hard disk drive. So now let's move forward to the power supply. This one is the 24 pin power supply. So here. And this one is the 4-pin power supply. So here. And this one supplies the hard disk drive. So here. And next is the system fan. So this is the system fan. So we can connect here or either here. So try to connect here. And let's move forward to the CPU fan. So this is the CPU fan. So here, put in here. Then connects here. And this is the RAM slot, and you can put the RAM in it. So this is the RAM. So Input. Okay. Slowly. And that's all for assembling system unit.